today, I'm brushing my teeth. So, now, we got a new toothpaste like this, and I got a new toothbrush at Walmart. I rub this on. Today I'm making some coffee.
You're making coffee today?
Today I'm making some coffee. We're in a new hotel. And look right here. I close this. Come on. Can you close the back?
Okay.
And then I put this right here. Power. This. Hi, today I just made my coffee. And look, now I have this pack. And I'm going to pick one more of those. One of these. This
You're going to use the sweetener?
Which one? Oh, this one of these ones.
Sugar?
Both of these will be good. Here it goes. Sugar. Sweet. Done. And another cup to make it taste good. Now I'm just gonna brush my teeth. Oh, thanks. I have a poke stick. I have to mix it with this, so it tastes much better. Delicious. I just tasted on the stick. Now you have to watch me brush my teeth. And look, I got a new Colgate. It's called Bubble Toothpaste. So when we go in the bathroom, we are gonna wash my feet. My teeth.
Okay.
So now I'm ready to brush your teeth.
Okay.
And look, these are new toothbrush. They're Spider-Man. And one have this. You stick it on your other things so it don't get dirty. Right like this, you see? You need to get one of these in one of these pack. Got it? One. Hi guys, today I'm brushing my teeth. So, now we got a new toothpaste like this, and I got a new toothbrush at Walmart. I rub this on. 1 second. This pocket I got. Huh? Where is it? Ah! Sorry for drinking it. Let me put some on the toothbrush to make mommy brush her teeth. And then I'll put some Colgate. Mommy, brush your teeth.
Hi.
Hi.
What do you want to say?
Today we're going to be at the beach.
Yeah? You liking it?
the beans on your food.
Yes.